Welcome to this tutorial on the IBM CALLB Opcode. Today, we'll dive into a practical example to understand how CALLB works and its application in RPG programming. Let's break down the example. Here, we have an RPG program that uses CALLB to invoke a procedure named progb, which is statically bound to the main program. In our main program, we define a procedure progb, which includes several operations like adding values and displaying result. The CALLB opcode is used to call the procedure progb. This ensures that all operations defined within progb are executed as part of our main program flow. After coding, we compile our RPG modules using CRT-RPGMOD and CRT-PGM commands to create executable programs. Upon execution, the program outputs results based on the operation defined within progb. This includes displaying values and performing calculations. In summary, the CALLB opcode in IBM RPG programming allows seamless integration of procedures into main program logic, enhancing modularity and code organization. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on CALLB Opcode in IBM RPG by Programmers.io. Stay tuned for more tutorials on IBM RPG programming and opcode usage.